Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are design a Pongal special design. This is for sugarcane Pongal part already designed. This link is given in description. Now going to assemble the Pongal pot and sugarcane. This is a final designed model. May more happy Pongal. And this is a Tamil culture farmer festival. Also going to select a new assemble. Okay. First select a browse new component. Okay, this is pot and sugarcane, and we can select a sugarcane design. Okay, and again I am going to select another one sugarcane. Okay, and again insert component. Select another one sugarcane. Placed here. Each side we will assemble 3 sugar cans. Can move. Click a move command. Go to move. Okay. Before going to open the first command, sugarcane with Pongal part, and select bottom surface and edit sketch. I'm going to rectangular, draw the rectangular. This rectangular is green color. This is for indicated for greenish area. The Pongal is only special for farmer festival. It's a full of greeny area. So we can put using on green color floor area. The thickness is 2 mm. Okay. Okay, now going to give a green color. Okay. First going to sketch. And draw a rectangular and draw the center line. Okay. Now we do select 2 edges and center line. Symmetric. Okay, it is symmetric. It's a constraint, 2D constraint, and then select the dimension and 25 mm bottom to rectangular. And now going to make a offset. Select offset command. So reverse direction, the 25 mm. Okay. Now going to exit, sketch and extrude. Exit, sketch, extrude. Extrude thickness is 250. Okay, now going to create a door, the cutting of door area. Here we can make a door area. Okay, now we are going to create up to the bottom surface. Okay, extrude cut. Click extrude cut and you can adjust the extrude cut thickness. Can remove now. Okay. I'm going to select the interior. Sketch view, convert entities. For the inner surface, select inner surface. Now going to extrude the smaller thickness of the interior of the house 2 mm. Okay. Okay. Now going to make a smaller roundness of this edge. Okay. Now we create a roof. Select a sketch, this surface, and draw the roof of the house. This center we can make one roof, V-shaped roof we can develop. I can make a center line and make a mirror. This angle is 60. This thickness is 20. Okay. I'm going to extend the line and then trim the excess line. Now mirror this entire setup. Select the center line. Okay. Now going to trim the internal, delete the internal line. So to click and delete command using delete command. Okay, going to extrude. Up to this surface, offset surface. Okay, this is created. The roof is created. Now going to delete this edges block. You want to sketch and select the surface and select a sketch and delete these unwanted lines. Only all the corner lines we can select and then draw the extrude cut. Using of extrude cut command we can cut the excess material, excess building like that. Select the edge. Okay. Okay, extend up to the line. Okay, this is completed. We're going to extrude cut. Change the flip direction. Okay. You select the surface and sketch. Convert entities and select edit the unwanted lines. Now going to select the last edge of the building. Okay. Going to extend up to the surface. Okay, now going to delete these two lines. Extrude cuts and can change the flip direction, can cut it. Now going to create it for the roof of the building. Now going to increase the length of the roof. Blind, you can extend and then two direction, another one direction to be click. Okay, and we can give a 60. You can adjust here. Okay, Okay, now going to roof is completed. Okay, now it is completed. I'm going to give appearances of this roof. So wooden roof will give wooden roof color. I'm going to change the interior of the house. Okay, the same color will given, and then the pot color. You can change the pot, Pongal pot. Okay, I'm going to open the assemble. Now move the entire sugar cane. So now it is locating on the surface using of mat command. Click the mat and select bottom surface and the bottom roof. Okay, it is assembled. Can adjust now. Okay, the same way you can assemble all the sugar cans. Okay, the third one. The same way, 3 sugar cans for this side. I'm going to mat the bottom surface of the sugar cane and top surface of the here. Okay, now the last sugar cane. Select, go to drag it. Just go to click and drag. Left click and drag message automatically it will be coming. Now okay, should be adjust the flame and 2 blocks and wooden material. The Pongal pot. The floor surface you can extend and create a wording of Happy Pongal and Tamil festival, farmer festival and Tamil culture and farmer festival. I'm going to draw the text. I'm going to open the model, create a data plane and select the surface. The dimension is 500. Okay, change the field direction. Okay, now select this data plane. We can create a sketch, draw one 3-point arc. Now select a stay sketch and write a many more happy Pongal. Okay, give a bold and adjust the text is 25. Okay, and the same way you can adjust the arc, 3-point arc. It's a constraint line. Now I'm going to extrude. Okay, this is midpoint, mid plane, 20 mm thickness. Okay, this created. This is for red color. Okay, it is coming. Many more happy Pongal. I'm going to create another one datum plane. This is the distance is 100 to the before datum plane. Okay, I'm going to select a sketch. Draw another one, a 3-point arc. I'm going to create a text. Here, Tamil culture of farmer festival. Okay, the thickness is same 20. This times in Roman, times New Roman, bold. Okay, select a surface. Okay, can be reduce the text height. Okay, go to center and write welcome. Draw one straight line and write welcome. Hundred. Okay, I'm going to adjust. It can be adjust in the sense automatically it should be locating on the center of the place. Extrude. Okay, this welcome is coming. Save. Okay, thank you for watching our Design Expert channel. Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.